Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys this quick and easy drugstore makeup routine. Not really a routine, but like if I feel like wearing makeup to class one day, or if I have some extra time and I feel like, you know, looking cute, or if I want to take pictures later on in the day. Mostly if I want to take pictures later on in the day, because I really have nobody to impress in my school. This is honestly a good makeup look for like if you're going to a basketball game, football game, or like an event on campus. One thing good about this is it's all drugstore and it's all very affordable, so you guys can find this very easily at your drugstore, CVS, Walgreens, and you're good and popping to go. Some info about me before I get on with this video. I'm 20 years old. I'm majoring in biomedicine. I live in New York, go to school in New Jersey. I want to be an orthopedic doctor in the future. I'm currently pre-med as a biomedicine major. I am the CEO of two businesses, Lavish Lengths Co. and Lavish Life Brand LLC. You guys will see more information about it in the description bar. You guys can find out more information on my websites, everything like that. Make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram page. I'll put it right here on the screen for you guys to follow me, and my Snapchat as well if you guys are interested in keeping up with me. Basically it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys like this video. My hair is from Lavish Lengths. As you guys can see, my frontal is laid. It's over here looking like a fresh perm. But yeah, check out my hair company, Lavish Lengths Co. I'll talk too much in this intro, so let's just get on with the video. So basically I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to beat my face. Alright, so I'm going to start off with my eyebrows as always. Let's get one thing straight. First of all, I definitely do not do my makeup every day. If you guys watch my vlogs, you guys already know like doing my makeup every day is a huge dub.
Just like a star across my sky, just like an angel off the page, you have a bit to my life. Feels like I'll never.
This tutorial is going to be all drugstore. The eyebrow pencil I used doesn't even have a name. It was literally $1. I got it for $1 at my beauty supply store. It's just a dark brown eyebrow pencil. And then I'm about to use LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn. So what I do for the concealer that I use for my eyebrows, I always cut it open like this, because I like to like put my brush inside and use it like that. And when it's open, it becomes a little less like liquidy. It's more of like a thicker consistency. You guys can't even really see it, but I always do that with the concealers that are almost done. I'm just using a flat top brush.
Just like a song in my heart, just like oil on my hands, on not to love you. I wonder why it is I don't argue like this with anyone but you.
Alright, you guys, don't mind this side of my face, because this side of my hair, because I didn't lay this side down because it's covered obviously, so you guys might see a little craziness back there, but
we do it all the time, blowing out my mind. You've got this look I can't describe.
Alright, so my eyebrows are done. Eyebrows are definitely what takes me the most time whatsoever. But next I'm going to mattify my face with the Sacha Mattifier Face Primer. This is another drugstore product. Also really like the Maybelline one. But my face gets really oily throughout the day, so I definitely have to make sure that I do prime, or my face is gonna be dripping.
You make me feel as I'm alive when everything else is open. Without a doubt, you're by my side.
One thing I can say is that I've definitely gotten a lot more confident with my natural face over the years. If you guys have been watching me since freshman year, you guys would know that like I used to wear makeup 24/7, like 24/7, and it was so bad that like I was so uncomfortable with like anybody seeing my dark marks and everything like that, that like, you guys know I played basketball, and I would deadass play basketball with makeup, and we used to have 6 a.m. practices, you guys, and I would try and put concealer on my face real quick before I go to practice, because I didn't want, my face was just so bad, and it cleared up so well, even though it's not exactly where I want it to be at yet, but it's definitely made a lot of progress. I used to never even come on camera without makeup on, so I'm very happy about the progress with my skin. So now that my face is completely primed, I'm going to put my foundation on. I use the Matte and Poreless Maybelline foundation in the color 355 Coconut. I'm about to put that on my face right now. If you guys would like a skincare routine, I actually use one specific product that cleared my skin up very, very well. Like, it was honestly a game changer. If you guys would like to see a video on basically how I cleared my skin, I definitely will do that for you guys. But that's only if you guys are interested, because, you know, ain't nobody got time to be making videos that get no views. Okay, so
heaven has been away too long. Can't find the words to write this song. Oh, your love, your love, your love. I wonder why I don't argue like this with anyone.
I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. To conceal my under eyes.
We do it all the time, blowing out my mind.
I'm about to go and rinse my beauty blender real quick and be right back. Alright, I'm back. I'm just going to blend. Alright, you guys, so I don't go back to school for another couple of weeks. Well, 2 more weeks actually. And I'm just like, I'm so sick of being home at this point. Like, I'm ready to go back to school. Like, it sounds crazy because I'm gonna be taking a whole bunch of credits. If you guys watch my back to school supplies video, I told you guys what classes I'm taking this semester. I'm taking a whole 19 credits this semester, and it's gonna be so much work, but I'm excited to go back to school. Like, back to school time period is literally my favorite time. Now we're going to set the under eyes. I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. This is the best one. This is my favorite one actually. And we're just going to set the under eye. I don't know if this is Drugstore or not, but it's definitely a lot cheaper than the other setting powders out there, like Ben Nye and Laura Mercier. I don't know how to say that shit. But you guys, comment down below. I'm actually very curious. Comment down below what year of school you guys are going into.
I've come to understand the way it is. Oh, it's not a secret anymore, 'cause we've been through that before. From tonight, I know that you're the only one.
Now I'm going to highlight my face real quick. You guys know I love highlighter, but I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow. This is from Walgreens. I think it was like $4, but it's so bomb, you guys. I'm going to show you guys the color that I always use. I always use this pretty gold, rose gold color. I'm just going to highlight my nose.
Confused and in the dark. Now I understand. Yeah.
So I'm basically done right now. All I have left is lip gloss, and I'm using the, I forgot what this is called, Gloss Bomb. I don't know, the Fenty lip gloss.
I wonder why it is I won't let my guard down for any.
This lip gloss definitely looks different on everybody's lips. On my lips, it comes out really dark because my lips are already naturally dark. Line it and put some color in it. You guys see that I put like a little dab of pink lip gloss in the middle, and then I blend it out to get that ombre look that I always like.
just like a star across my sky, just like an angel off the page. You have a bit to my life.
Alright guys, so that's it for this drugstore makeup look. I'm about to show you guys a couple of outfits that I typically wear. So I typically just wear t-shirts and shorts, or t-shirts and like biker shorts, or two-piece sets. I really love two-piece sets, you guys. Like, it's just so easy to throw on and your outfit is already done, you know? So places I like to shop is like Fashion Nova and Boohoo. I like Fashion Nova for the two-piece sets, and Boohoo has really nice like basics. So I'm just going to show you like two outfits today that I typically wear to school. Yeah, let me just show you guys my outfits real quick, and that'll be the end of the video. This is the first outfit. This top is from Boohoo, and these shorts are from Fashion Nova. My shirt can obviously be worn like this as well, but I think it's a little bit cuter like this. What do you guys think?
I have come to understand the way it is. Oh, it's not a secret anymore, 'cause we've been through that before.
Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up button if you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media pages. My Instagram and Snapchat will be on the screen as always. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.